All right, I'm going to do a couple dry, and then I'm going to go hot. Dots all over the place. All right, going hot. .29 alpha. .32 Alpha Charlie line break. .16 Alpha Charlie line break. .10 D-ring all the way out to the left, almost a mic. Did not get my support hand on the gun. .17 in the neck, just over the A box. .14 center punch the A. .18 A box. .26 did not have a proper grip on the gun. Way far down on the beaver tail. I would not have been able to rapid fire with that grip. Alpha Charlie line break. .33 I saw my dot was off to the right of the target. I was able to correct, center punch A box. .35 complete miss off the target. Improper grip, gun was canted to the left at a 45. Actually, it's not a miss. It's a C zone up in here. I knew it was that way. All right, let's not do that again. .33 line break, alpha in the neck. .26 alpha in the neck, or Charlie in the neck. Did not have a grip on the gun. All right, so now I need to stop. Now I got to stop. I'm having some inconsistency here. Okay? So now I got to dry fire that a couple times so I don't waste any more bullets, right? Stop what I'm doing. I would turn and do it this way, but the gun's hot, so I'm going to go back and face. And I'm just going to hit the buzzer, get a good grip. Reset. Hit the buzzer, get a good grip. All right, so I'm starting to work through some things, and I'm going to go ahead and try it again. Dorked it up right out of the holster. 198 Alpha. All right. That last one was a 135.